You may already know that you can delete a row by simply right-clicking on it. But what if you've got a long spreadsheet with lots of empty rows that you need to delete? In this video, I'm going to go through some hacks that help you to identify and delete these empty rows. Now, before I jump into the content, please click subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos like this. Are you ready to excel? Then let's go. Use Find and Select to find all your blank rows. You then just need to right-click on the cell to delete. However, use this one with caution. If it finds a blank cell, it will delete the row for that as well. Which brings me to the next option. Another way to find the blank rows in a spreadsheet is to use a filter. In this example, I've selected all my data. I'm then pressing Ctrl, Shift and L to get the filter up. And all I'm doing now is finding those blank rows. Go through the filters, column by column, until you see no data. And then it's just a matter of simply right-clicking to delete. If you're looking for a more automated solution, then go to my website. Here I've written a step-by-step guide of how to remove the rows. But if you go down to the bottom of this article, you will find the code for a macro. The great thing about this macro is that you can just put it into a button, into your Excel, click the button or play the macro, and automatically it will delete all blank rows only, which will be really handy if you're working with a spreadsheet that has loads of columns, because you don't want to filter each column one by one. If you found today's video useful, then please click like, or if you want to see future videos like this, then please click subscribe. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.